In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage labels in Gmail. So I'm here on my computer with Gmail open in my browser. And the first thing I'm going to do is look over at the left sidebar where Gmail lists folders and labels. Sometimes the option we need isn't visible right away, so I scroll down through the sidebar until I find the option labeled More. Once I see More, I click on it, and the menu expands to show additional options. From this expanded list, I click on Create New Label. As soon as I click it, a small window appears asking me to enter the name of the label. I click inside the text field and type the label name that I want to create. This could be something like Work, Projects, Receipts, or any category that helps organize emails. Once I've typed the name, I click Create. Gmail immediately adds the new label to the list on the left sidebar. Now that the label is created, the next step is to apply it to emails. So I go back to my inbox by clicking Inbox in the sidebar. Once the inbox opens, I find an email that I want to organize. I move my mouse to the checkbox next to that email and click it to select the message. After selecting the email, I go up to the toolbar above the email list and click the label icon. A menu appears showing the labels available in my account. I select the label I just created or any label I want to use, and then I click apply. As soon as I apply the label, Gmail organizes that email under the selected label, making it easier to find later. And that's it. I opened Gmail, scrolled down the sidebar and clicked More, created a new label, went back to the inbox, selected an email, clicked the label icon, chose the label, and clicked apply. The email is now organized using Gmail labels.